Hey there, it's Dave with Flipperforce. I'm excited to announce that we just launched our new structural modifications widget to our property info page. And this new widget can be used to adjust the overall property square footage, the number of beds, baths, and garages on your property. If you're doing renovations or additions to the property, that's going to be affecting the property's square footage and bedroom and bathroom count. So if you're doing house flips that involve maybe a basement renovation, or maybe you're doing an addition on the property, or maybe you're doing an add-a-level project, this is the tool that you can use to adjust your existing square footage to add in those structural modifications. So if you click on Add Structural Modification in here, you can add the modification that you're going to be making to the property. And so let's say that this property has an unfinished basement. So we could say unfinished basement remodel. You can type in a description here, say 500 square foot remodel of the existing basement with an added bedroom and bathroom. Let's add a bedroom and a bathroom in there. So we're going to add 500 square feet of living space. We're going to add in another bedroom and another bath. So if we click save here, that's going to add in the structural modification, and you can see our existing structure was 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Now that we've remodeled the basement, we added in an additional 500 square feet, another bedroom and another bathroom. You can see our final property specs are now 2,000 square feet. We've now got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. So if you're doing a property that needs a basement remodel, this can be the way that you can adjust your final specifications to reflect the structural modifications and changes that you're making to the property. Now let's do an example for an addition. So let's add in another structural modification here, and let's say we're going to do an addition off the back side of the house. Let's say this is a master bedroom addition, and so we're going to be adding a 400 square foot master bedroom and bathroom. And so again, we're going to be adding in 400 square feet. We're not going to be adding any parking, but we are going to be adding another bedroom and another bath. And so now we're going to add that in here. And now you can see we've got 2 structural modifications. We're doing the basement remodel, which is going to add 500 square feet. Then we're going to be doing the master bedroom addition, which is going to be adding 400 square feet. So initially the house was only 1,500 square feet. We're adding 900 square feet. So now our final specs are 2,400 square feet. And we've got 5 bedrooms because we've added 2 bedrooms total and 2 additional baths. So the property that went from being a 1,500 square foot 3 bedroom 1 bath property is now a 2,400 square foot 5 bedroom 3 bath property. And so this can be a way that you can adjust your overall property specs, doing it that way. And this information will feed over to your reports here. So you've got your flip investment packet, and you've also got your BRRRR investment packet. If you scroll down to the property info page, we just recently made some changes to that, and you'll see that's where we've listed the structural modifications. So you can see the original bedroom and bathroom size was 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and now you can see we're doing some structural modifications here, and then it lists out everything that we were doing there. So we've got the existing structure at 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. We're adding in the unfinished basement remodel here for another 500 square feet in 1 bedroom and 1 bath. And then we're also doing our master bedroom addition to add another 400 square feet and an additional bedroom and a bathroom. So you can see here it is at 2,400 square feet for the final structure specs with 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. So that's where that new structural modifications data and information feeds to. It feeds over to our nice pretty investment packets that you can share with your business partners and lenders. Be looking for some new improvements on those investment packets coming out soon. We're going to be launching a new executive summary, so that way you can describe these renovations and really sell your investors and your business partners on the project that you're going to be undertaking. So be looking for those new features coming out here soon. If you do have any feedback on the structural modifications widget, let us know.